How to rejoin a server you left on Discord. So, just a disclaimer, Discord still doesn't have an option in which you may be able to join or rejoin a server that you have left. However, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So go ahead on Discord and click on this plus button right here. So if you cannot see that plus button, make sure to click on these three lines first on the upper left corner and go ahead and click on that plus button. Make sure to click on join a server, and then if you're lucky enough to have the or remember the name of that server, then you may type it down. So for example, the name of that server is Burger. And then if you're lucky enough that you have the right name or the right link of that Discord server, then you may be able to rejoin that server. However, the best way that I could think of is that you should ask a friend from that server to send you an invite link so that you may be able to rejoin that server. So again, this is just an alternative, and then again, you should ask for a link in order for you to rejoin a server. So that's it. That's how you can rejoin a server you left on Discord.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.